Requirements to connect to Internet. The things required for having an Internet connection are computer system. It is an integrated system with all the different types of input, output, processing and storage devices. Telephone and cable lines. These help in establishing a link between the different computers and the servers. Modem. It stands for modulator demodulator. Modem transfers digital information over telephone lines and vice versa. Web browser. It is a software program which helps the user in opening and displaying the different web pages. The different types of web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. ISP. It stands for Internet Service Provider. It is a company that provides Internet access on payment of a monthly fee. Some of the ISPs are Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, that is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, MTNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nagar Limited, Jio, etc.